So, okay. Sino kaya't na bag? Okay. Sino nga kaya't na tapis?
Ay, ano siya kayo? Ay!
Okay. So, nadagay ka-classmate, kamag-anak, ka-batchmate, friends, and everything, and everyone who would like to help, okay, sponsor one pair of bag and tapis. It's only around 480 or 500 pesos. One tapis, one bag, and we need 30 pairs. Kasi at least 60 amin naging students there dito eh. So for those who would like to sponsor, okay, meron ng 12 na nag-sponsor, so meron na lang, we are in need of at least 18 pairs. And ano nyaman di mainayon na para iti pang Christmas tayo kada dito yung students tayo dito yung Central School. So with that, agpayapay kayo kaya, pasalamat tayo na lang ang nasapa. So, thank you.
Thank you.